Okay, before we get too far into this drag race video, first of all, I want to say happy Sunday. I hope everyone's had a wonderful Memorial Day weekend so far. I've been doing a lot of just work stuff, catching up. It's actually been cold here in Indiana, like 40 some degrees is how the day starts off. Yesterday, I think it may have got up to 60, which being almost June is quite ridiculous. But we've been busy, we've had a lot of other stuff going on, so not that big a deal. So obviously, I do want to let you know that it was just me and Gary out there. I had nobody to stand at any kind of a finish line. We had no one to, tell us when to go. We had to count ourselves down. I tried to get as many angles as I could. I tried to get an angle from the front of my machine with the GoPro. I tried to get some drone shots. I tried to get an in-cab angle so you could see both me and Gary. For the most part, it did pretty well. It's pretty rudimentary, or however you say that word. But, it worked for what we were trying. I mean, if you haven't yet, if you want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell notification, go ahead and hit that like button, leave me a comment down below. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. I'll probably pop in here a couple other times and explain a few other things, but let's get to racing.
Two-wheel high and then back four-wheel high. High gear, I literally have no chance whatsoever, but low gear, I think I may have it fine. We'll find out.
so in low gear, as you can see, the 950 gets a little more pull off the line, I feel like. And I feel in low, obviously we can, you know, if not be ahead of the Polaris, we can hang right with the Polaris until that rev limiter hits. I feel like our rev limiter hits way earlier than his. And you can kind of see the machine take a short little dive once that rev limiter hits in low. Now in high gear, I mean, I can hang with him for a minute, but he's gonna pull away every single time in high gear. And that's okay. I mean, it's 30 plus horsepower difference between the two machines. So I would fully expect it to pull away. And if it couldn't pull away, then they'd be dealing with a whole nother issue. But for a 79 horsepower machine up against 110 horsepower machine, that's what they claim is the best selling machine on the planet. You know, there's never, I can't imagine there ever being a situation where I need that kind of speed and that kind of quick speed off the line unless I'm doing something I'm not supposed to be doing and I'm trying to get away, which is not something I'm into or not something I want to do or even attempt to experience. But yeah, that's it, fellas. That wraps it up for the drag race. Stay tuned. We've got some really good trail riding coming to see if the 950 can go all the places and follow the XP1000 wherever it goes. I've got another video coming too that I think you guys are, you're either gonna like or you're not gonna like. but I had a slight whistling diesel moment with something. But all that'll come soon. So thank you guys so much. Thank you to all my subscribers, all the new subscribers. Thank you for all the comments, all the likes, all the messages that I get every day. I love this community. I love each and every single one of you, and I appreciate all of you. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave me a comment. Have a wonderful rest of your Memorial Day weekend, and we will see you in the next one.